In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs with the latest update in mind. This warning usually appears when ElevenLabs thinks something about your usage looks suspicious or automated. It can be triggered by things like logging in from different locations very quickly, using a VPN or proxy, sending too many requests in a short period, or even just a glitch on their side. The goal of this walkthrough is to help you clear that warning and get your account working normally again, step by step. First, start by signing out of ElevenLabs completely, both on your browser and on any other devices where you might be logged in. Close all tabs that are using ElevenLabs, then open a single, fresh browser window in normal mode, not incognito. Go to the official ElevenLabs website directly by typing the address, rather than using a shortcut or a third-party link, and log back in with your usual details. Next, if you're using a VPN, proxy, or any kind of IP masking tool, turn it off for now. ElevenLabs' security system can see rapidly changing or shared IP addresses as unusual behavior. Once you've disabled those tools, refresh the page and try using the service again. If the warning disappears, that was likely the cause. If you really need a VPN for other reasons, test different locations slowly and avoid switching too frequently. Now, look at how quickly you're making requests. If you're generating a lot of audio in a short time, or you're using an automated script or tool that calls their service repeatedly, slow things down. Spread out your requests, give a few seconds between generations, and avoid running large batches back to back. ElevenLabs has rate limits and behavior checks in place, and staying under those limits helps prevent the unusual activity flag from reappearing. If the warning still shows, clear your browser cache and cookies for the ElevenLabs site, then restart the browser and log in again. This can remove any corrupted session data that might be confusing their system. Finally, if none of this solves it, go to the support or help section on the ElevenLabs website. Open a support ticket explaining that you're seeing the unusual activity detected message, describe what you were doing when it started, and mention any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Be clear and concise, and wait for their response before trying anything extreme like making a new account. Often, they can manually review and restore normal access. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to resolve the unusual activity warning and get back to using ElevenLabs smoothly.